Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Google Drive in N8N. To start, I will add a new node and search for Google Drive. You can see that we have Google Drive actions available, and I will select the option to download a file. There are a few different ways we can set up our Google Drive connection. We could configure it directly within the workflow, or we could set it up inside our account. For this tutorial, I will show you how to do it from within the workflow, since that is usually the most common way to start. The first step is to go to the Google Cloud Platform. Simply search for Google Cloud Platform in your browser and click the link that says Google Cloud Computing Services. Make sure you are logged into the correct Google account. Once you are logged in, click on Console. Here we will create a new project that will connect Google Cloud to N8N. Open the project picker, then click New Project. Now that the project is open, we need to set up some APIs and permissions. Click the menu icon in the top left, then go to APIs and Services and select Library. Search for Google Drive and select the Google Drive API. Click Enable. This may take a few seconds. Once enabled, go to the OAuth consent screen. Click Get Started. Enter an application name, for example, N8N Google Drive Tutorial. Add your email address as the contact email. Select External since this application will be external. Continue filling out the information, including your contact email again, and agree to the Google API terms. Click Create. Next, go to the Publishing Status section and click Publish App. This is important. If you do not publish your app, you will run into issues when connecting inside N8N. Confirm to publish the app. Now we can return to N8N. When you create new credentials, a pop-up will appear. Leave this open and go back to the Google Cloud Console. Go to APIs and Services, then click on Credentials. Choose Create Credentials and select OAuth Client ID. When asked for the application type, choose Web Application. Name it something like Google Drive N8N. Under Authorized Redirect URIs, click Add URI, go back to the N8N pop-up and copy the OAuth redirect URL provided. Paste it into the URI field in Google Cloud, then click Create. You will now be given a client ID and a client secret. Copy both of these values and keep them safe. Enter them into the N8N pop-up fields for client ID and client secret. The next step is to sign in with Google. If you forgot to publish your app earlier, the login will not work, so make sure the app is published. Click Sign in with Google and select your account. You may see a warning that says Google has not verified this app. This is expected. Click Advanced, then go to N8N Unsafe and continue. Accept the permissions and the connection will complete. The pop-up will close automatically, and N8N will confirm the credentials were created successfully. At this point, the connection between Google Drive and N8N is fully established and ready to be used in your workflows. From here, you can start automating tasks such as uploading files, downloading documents, or organizing images directly through N8N without needing to switch back and forth between platforms. Having this connection in place makes it much easier to build powerful workflows that save time and reduce manual effort.